What's up, guys? Chris here with Splash and Wax Mobile Detailing, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the pressure washer gun that I have. I just recently purchased from Amazon. I paid $35 and some change for it, but I just want to let you take a look at it and shoot a video on it and give you my perspective of this tool if you're in the market of buying one for yourself. So I have this hooked up to my pressure washer. It will not hook up and work on a garden hose. That's even in the description of the product that you'll read. So just be mindful of that. This is a pressure washer gun. So some people may try to stick it on their garden hose, but it's not going to work. So anyway, this is a Tool Daily gun. And whenever you get it, you'll get it. It comes with a little adapter if you need to use it, like a 14mm or 15mm adapter to connect to your pressure washer. You get a 1-liter soap bottle here. You get a variety of different nozzle tips. You have a 0, which is the red, 15, 25, 40, and 65 degree. The two most popular ones I like using is the green and the red. The red I use a lot for, say, wheel wells under here. You know, I can still use the fan, but the straight stream seems to work better, especially if you're cleaning undercarriages of vehicles. So the straight stream may be the one you want to use. So nice long trigger, nice handle here. Only thing is, I wish it had more of a like a soft grip for fatigue, because you can feel the water coming out through here. That is your green tip. Red tip. Orange tip. White tip. Black tip. Alright, so we're going to we've got some soap in the bottle here. Only put a little bit just to show you how well this thing works. We'll screw this down on top of here. It's hard to do one-handed. Alright, now that I got it screwed on, we got it quick connect. Pull the tip right there back. This piece fits in, locks into place. Adjustable knob on the top. More soap, less soap. Not bad. Not bad at all. And like I said, I paid $35 and some change at the time of this video, which is March of 2022. So this is the Tool Daily pressure washer short gun with foam cannon. Alright guys, if you like this video, do us a favor, smash that thumbs up button for us. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Share this video with your friends, and if you're thinking about buying one of these, from my perspective, I would say go for it. 2 thumbs up. So thank you for viewing. Until next time, keep it detailed, keep it clean. Later.